County in central Texas, southeastern Navarro County in north central Texas, until 6:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:43 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Hubbard to Miramar to near Lott, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Mejia, Marlin, Groesbeck, Teague, Fairfield, Mark, Wortham, Riesel, Coolidge, Lott, Galinda, Hallsburg, Fort Parker State Park, Fairfield Lake State Park, Thornton, Coss, Leroy, Mount Calm, Tahumacana, and Streetman. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 181 and 215. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. The National Weather Service has